guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing a Louis Vuitton unboxing, and I have several items here. I went to the store and picked this one up, and also I just looked around and see what they have, what else they have for the new release. And pretty much like Louis Vuitton has released a lot of new items, and somehow it's just so hard to keep up with the new collection. But anyway, I have several items here, and let me just open this one first. So this is, as probably if you guys are familiar with the Louis Vuitton boxes, this one is like an envelope. So pretty much like you guys probably have an idea of what's inside. But I got this. Let me just put this one aside. So I got a perfume. So this is the new fragrance that Louis Vuitton has released, and this particular fragrance is the name of this is Etoile Filante. Etoile Filante, yes. So this was released I think a few weeks ago. And it's so funny because I asked my sales associate to actually set aside a perfume for me, and it was in different set because I will be giving it as a gift. And she said that I also put aside this for you so you could try it, and this one just sold out like in a matter of minutes. So yeah, so I said, well, she put it aside for me, so I might as well just get it, you know. But anyway, so this was just released a few weeks ago, and I have tried this at the store, and it smells amazing. It smells really, really good. Most of the time I used the Cactus Garden and Sansong, and they were my favorite as well, but this one apparently smells really, really nice. So anyway, let me open this so you guys, I got the travel spray. So this is the travel spray, and okay, let me just put this. Okay, like here on the side. Okay, so this is the packaging. So this is how it looks. So this one, by the way, guys, this fragrance, the Etoile Filante. Etoile Filante. Well, it's a French word. Sometimes it's so hard to read those. But anyway, so this one came in with different sizes. So this is the travel spray that I got. Okay. So this is the spray where you could actually, where you could actually put the refill. So it comes like this. And this one came in with 4 refills right there. And each of these has 7.5 ml. Is it? 7.5 ml by 4. Okay. So there were 4 in here. And this one, guys, smells really, really good. And I could smell it everywhere right now because they sprayed in a box itself, so I'll be able to identify which fragrance it is. So all you have to do is just like, yeah, put this one in the refill right here, and yeah, so you could just use it for traveling and all kinds of stuff. So anyway, so this is the Etoile Filante that was released few weeks ago, and it smells amazing. So this is a travel spray, and this one retails for $265 US. Okay, so this one also came in with 100 ml, which is $265, and then the other one is 100 ml is $265, and the 200 ml is $390 US. Okay, so moving on to the next item. These two right here are gifts. So I will be giving this one as a gift, but I'm gonna show it since it's already here. I am gonna show you what I have. Wow, I could smell it right away. So this is an Etoile Filante as well, and this is a refill. So this one has 4 of a 7.5 ml, And yeah, this one retails for 110. There were like 4 of those refills inside. So I hope that my camera is picking up. Yes, the Etoile Filante. This is just the refill. So yeah, I will be gifting this. So I'm not going to open this. So yeah, what's inside there? It's just this stuff right here. So what's inside right there. So next, also this one is also a gift I have already, so you guys will be able to see what I have here. And also this is a fragrance as well, and this one is, yeah, she wanted this, I don't know why, but this is they call it Damier Noir. I don't know if I pronounce it correctly, but that's what it says right there, Damier Noir. And this one also a refill as well, and it has 4 by 7.5 ml. And this one is retails, I guess, for $110 US. Okay, so moving on to the next item. What do I also, oh, I also, yeah, she actually gave me all these samples, guys. It's so funny because she gave me, what did I have here? The Damier Noir, went to the Cactus Garden, Etoile Filante, Afternoon Swim, and the Filante as well. So yeah, that's kind of sweet of her. But anyway, yeah, the Etoile, okay, hold on. Let me just, I mean, there's no point for me to spray the Filante right here to try it on because the scent is everywhere, like literally on the box, on like everywhere. I could smell it, but yeah, this is just the sample that they, I already opened this because I've tried this the other day and it smells really, really good. It smells fantastic. Definitely. I will definitely gonna recommend this. Definitely. And also if you like Cactus Garden or Afternoon Swim, yeah, if you like those. But this one smells really, really good. Yeah. It's just like everywhere. She sprayed it everywhere. But anyway, moving on to the next item. So this next item that I got, I don't know, guys, but a lot of they consider this, I guess, as one of the hardest item to find. But lately I have seen a lot of these at the store and also at the website as well. So since I wanted to I only have the monogram on this particular SLG, so I decided to purchase this one as well. This particular item is, let me see. So this is the Key Cles. And this is, what is this? Is this a graphite? What is this, the one that I have? So the one that I have is, yeah, Damier Graphite. So this is a pochette, clay, and Damier Graphite. So this is the code. So I got this at the store. And seems like this one is made in France. The one that I got right there, and I was so excited because a lot of these are nowadays are made in the US, and there's always been an issue with the craftsmanship on that. And I have seen in the past that there is an issue right here at the bottom where you could actually see that there's like a hole in it. But so far with this particular item, I didn't see any sort of like a hole in it where you could see through at the bottom. So yeah, this one has a silver hardware, really nice. And yeah, too bad. I've been wanting to get this for quite some time before the price increase, and all of a sudden after the price increase, they're all over the place for some reason. So this one was crafted on, it is so hard to see the date code in here. Yeah, it is so hard to see the date code. And yeah, pretty much like, let's see, the zipper. The zipper is fine. It's not the, and I'm just concerned with the teeth. It looks like the teeth are actually straight. And yeah, just beautiful, beautiful silver hardware right there. And this one seems to look, let me see. Yeah, this one looks fine though. This one seems to look fine. I didn't see any like something here at the, yeah, the zipper is a little bit off for some reason. Once it hits right here at the bottom, right here, it's just gonna stuck a little bit. I don't know what that is. Yeah, but probably I just, yeah, probably have to close it without hitting right here at the corner. So close it like this and then open it like that. Yeah. But if you go all the way down, it just kind of stuck a little bit. So yeah, this is the Key Cles in Damier Graphite. And yeah, it's beautiful. I kind of like it. Love it. I have a lot of uses on my monogram though. And I wanted also to get the Azure and also the Ebin, Damier Ebin, and it looks like the one that they have at the store seems does not really like meet my certain standards when it comes to the craftsmanship. The one that they have at the store, it's actually made in the US, and which is also, I have nothing against that's where it's made from, but I am much more into the craftsmanship, the quality. But that one has, I could see through at the bottom, and when I compare it with this, and I said no, I'll go for this. And originally I wanted to get the Damier Ebin, and that one has like see-through at the bottom. And also they also have an Azure as well. The Azure seems like the teeth right here where there's a cloth, it started to have this has some sort of like discoloration. I didn't tell her if there's a discoloration, but I said no, I didn't want that. And yeah, this one looks great so far upon looking at it. I think this one, I think I checked the website today and I saw this one, the graphite, Damier Graphite, and also the Ebin actually showing it's available, but for a few seconds though, and then it got sold out. So if you were in a hunt for this, the Key Cles, they are actually available at the store. And also if you really wanted to get it as soon as possible, you might reach out to your sales associate, because it is so easy when you want to order something that is sold out and hard to find with your sales associate, because they can source it out for you. The entire United States, they can source it out for you, but it may take some time though, but eventually your orders get fulfilled probably in less than 15 days or so. But if they source this one out and the store where they submitted the request, they accepted it right away, definitely you'll get your order in less than 15 days. But those are just the time frame they're actually giving. So, but so far with this Key Cles, they are available right now. It's not impossible to find. It is not hard to find. All you have to do is reach out with your sales associate. Check the website, because the website, they did reset the website periodically, and also call the 1-800 number. They might probably gonna help you. So anyways, these are my unboxing right now. This is a really nice perfume, guys. I would highly recommend this. This is the Etoile Filante, and I love it. And if you want, I mean, this is a travel spray, and I would recommend to get this travel spray, because you could just put this in your purse. You could just slip this one in any of your purse, and yeah, there you go. So it's just so easy, rather than just actually bringing the 200 ml or the 100 ml, where yeah, you could, it might be like an inconvenience if you have a smaller purse. But this one, it is perfect for oh my gosh, I was talking right now and I'm all like submerged with the scent. Smells really, really good. I could describe the scent as more of like, has this refreshing, and it just smells really good. It smells really, really good. So anyways, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.